What is the process for refinancing with a VA loan? Let's get after it. Hey, VA Nation, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans powered by Stride Bank. To contact us here, it's 855-956-4040. Check us out online at nationalvaloans.com, or, of course, check out our YouTube channel and subscribe in one of these spots right here at youtube.com/National VA Loans. Okay, so what is the process to refinance or for refinancing with a VA home loan? Well, the first step of the process is really pretty easy. I'm going to put it right here at the bottom, scrolling across, and that's to apply. Go to nationalapplynow.com, download our simple, secure, and easy application to either your mobile phone or your tablet, and you can complete that application. That'll go right to one of our VA specialists. They will be able to answer any questions and go over all the different options for you. But during that process, what's going to happen is our VA specialists are going to ask you what your goals are. What are you looking for out of the refinance? Typically, when someone's looking to refinance, there's a reason, whether it be to pay off debt, whether it be to lower their interest rate, whether it be just to take cash out so they have equity or so they have some cash set aside for either a rainy day or an emergency fund. So a good VA specialist is going to find out what you are looking to do. What are you trying to take advantage of by doing the refinance? Once we've determined that, then it's going to be simply putting and structuring the loan together. And depending on the type of loan, whether if it's a cash out loan versus the VA interest rate reduction loan, which I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about in the past, the VA IRRRL. So on a VA refinance loan, if you're pulling cash out or taking equity or paying off debt, we're going to do a couple different things. We're going to need income documentation, so W-2s, pay stubs, things along those lines. We'll have to order an appraisal and get that taken care of, and they'll have to schedule a time to come out and talk to you and do the appraisal. And then we're going to put it through our underwriting department, and our underwriters are going to go through it and make sure that everything makes sense and is lined up. If you're doing a VA IRRRL, if we determine during our fact-finding mission at the beginning, if we determine that a VA interest rate reduction refinance loan or VA IRRRL is the best option for you, then what we're going to do is, again, structure the loan. We are not going to need to get any income documentation or an appraisal. That loan is a little bit simpler. It's basically just to reduce your interest rate. You're not going to be accessing any of your equity. So the process, while I know that I make it sound very quick, and it typically is, especially the VA IRRRL process is very quick, very simple, very pain-free, as they say. It is a pretty quick process. So there are a few things that are involved, especially if we're going to be taking cash out, doing a VA cash out to access equity. There's a few more things like the income documentation and appraisal. But again, our VA specialists here at National VA Loans, and that's powered by Stride Bank. These guys are good. We've all been doing this for over 20 years and specifically doing VA home loans. And we know the process pretty much inside and out, and we'll help guide you along the way. Of course, what we always suggest is ask questions. If you have questions, ask. We want to know because, I mean, really, this is where a lot of these videos come from, is from questions that we get. And we want you to ask questions. We want you to feel involved and know what's going on throughout the process of your loan, because our number one thing is we want you to be happy, and we want you to tell your friends and family members about us. We want to make sure that we're taking care of everyone. And that's really the goal that we have here at National VA and Stride Bank. All right, guys, to stay current with all the up-to-date information on VA home loans, check us out at youtube.com/National VA Loans. Click the subscribe button so you'll be notified of all new videos that are coming out. And of course, right there, you can also communicate with us. If you have any questions on videos, make sure to ask them. I'm the one that typically goes in and answers, so I'll get back to you on those answers really quick. And of course, you can always give us a call, any of our VA specialists here. Or if you'd like to talk to me, just ask for Jeff. But you can call us at 855-956-4040. Check us out on nationalvaloans.com, because we do have a chat bot there as well where we can answer questions through chat. And we're happy to do that anytime that you have any questions at all. And if you're like me and you just kind of like getting stuff done and moving a little bit faster, check us out at nationalapplynow.com. Like I was saying at the beginning of the video, nationalapplynow.com. It's a simple, secure application you can download on your phone or tablet, and all the information will come directly to one of our VA specialists here, and they'll reach out to you to go through all the different options that are available with you. Again, it's 855-956-4040. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Thank you for everything you've done for our country. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself, and God bless.